You know, I was fortunate enough back in the early 90s to be awarded a United States patent on the retaining wall block that's inside this wall. And this is the first project I ever sold, the first blocks that ever were put in the ground. Wow, that was in 1992. And this wall is still, you know, doing a great job in this subdivision today. I'm really proud. But the patent process, you know, is pretty involved. I had a great patent attorney, some great advisors, and then you got to take it all to market. And all these things came together and were successful back then. I love this business. In addition to getting a patent on the product, the thing's got to work well, it's got to be priced well, and then it's got to be accepted by customers. And this one was. And I've got a lot of these around my hometown of St. Louis. And fortunately, this product, this block system that's in there, and several other variations over the years show up in cities around the country. So I've been pretty blessed.